Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Only way is updated to the latest patch, and your GPU drivers match the game requirements. Once done, close overlay or recording apps that commonly steal focus. Discord, OBS, GeForce Experience. Make sure Windows or platform game mode service is enabled. Don't assume it is. You'll also check controller and input settings. Sometimes an input mismatch forces the game to disable its mode, so set defaults before moving on. Next, you toggle game mode off then back on to reset state, and reboot to clear lingering processes. After reboot, run the launcher's verify or repair tool. Corrupted assets often cause automatic mode shutdowns, so let the tool replace bad files. Then, set in-game display to exclusive full screen and explicit resolution. Once graphics settings are explicit, the game won't flip modes unexpectedly. If you use custom mods, disable them now because they frequently interfere with mode management. Finally, you run a short test play session and watch for the game mode turning off. Check game logs in %appdata% or the game folder to see the exact trigger. If it still fails, create a clean user profile or temporary account and run the game without overlays, controllers, or mods to isolate the cause. If none of that works, capture a 30-60-second log and submit it to support with exact steps and timestamps. This one key action speeds up a definitive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.